Hi everybody, welcome to this BB Education cutting tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be taking you through how to create a layered pixie shape, ideal for the salon floor. This shape is going to be utilizing a uniform layer. This uniform layered shape is going to help us to create an outline that's actually going to fall quite soft and quite layered and fairly shattered looking. We're also going to be bringing at the very end a pixie fringe to our haircut. It's going to be quite short, it's going to be quite textured, so I'm really excited to get started. So let's start with talking you through our mapping process. So what you'll see is we've sectioned our hair from the crown into a radial section. We've then gone from the crown into our front. What you'll really get from this is you'll see that we started at the crown area and we worked 4 diagonals and diagonal backs from the crown into 4 corners of the head. So we went into the recession at the front. So from the crown area, we've shot out from the crown straight to the recession areas. And then from the crown, we went straight to the mastoid process or the corner of the hairline. This is the mastoid process. The corner of the hairline. This is the recession of the hairline, which is the area where we work from our apex zone into our front zone. So this is our starting section, directly from the front. All our sections will pivot from the crown. Our over direction, here we will be meeting section 1 and section 2 in the middle of each section. When we take section 2, we will over direct it a small amount to meet the middle distance between section 1 and section 2. Every time you get to the back, you get the opportunity to check your section and make sure it is matching your first section. So this is our first section. We must follow the head shape on each of our sections. So as we lift our first section, what you'll see is there's our guide. We're going to work with the same over direction. We're not working directly off base section 1 or directly off the section 2. We're going to meet in the middle of both sections. We will now repeat this same method on the other side. Now we've completed both our sides, you can really start to get a feel for this haircut. So here we have our profile section and we're ready to start. Again, we can really start to see the shape forming. As we come to the end of the haircut, what we've got is our end result but obviously we've still got no product in and we're keeping it quite flat. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care.